Oh, okay. Subnautica. Okay, I hope you can hear this recording. Oh my god, this is taking so long. I might not be able to record for very long, but if it cuts off randomly, then sorry. That's my fault, because this recorder is trash. Well, it's technically not my fault then if this recorder is not working. It's saying my disk is done. I don't have any space in my disk when I literally do. I have just enough space. And I just cleared up a bunch of space for it. And then it's still saying that I didn't. Oh, dang it. It's still saying that I don't have enough. So I don't get you. I'm just gonna gather a bunch of land. I'm using a mod for this. Wait, did I already say that? I'm not sure. I'm getting mixed up between my old recordings and the one I'm recording right now. I'm not sure. Okay, whatever. But yeah, I'm gonna do like a Beyblade one because I'm gonna get Beyblades and battle my sister. Oh god. And stuff. I'm gonna get a ton. Oh god, I should have moved. Dang, I'm dumb. Are you serious? It's so annoying because in below zero you could fly. Like with the ghost mode thingy. Kind of. It's like a ghost mode technically. Where you can, Oh, dang it! Oh! No, I made it, but then I fell because I thought I didn't make it. Come on, jump! Okay. No! But yeah. I might not. But yeah, okay. I'm gonna end this video. Goodbye. Like and subscribe, please. And bye! And remember, have a nice day.